Welcome back. Now, we have discussed the fact that you can't direct people from Prime Video Direct to another website in your content and around your content using your descriptions. However, you can still collect leads on the Amazon platform and you can interact with your Video Direct content. For example, while you can't be openly promotional in your content, you can promote your website and other pages inside of your Kindle content. That means then that you'll want to have something written and posted to the Kindle platform. You can also place promotional links with your content in Create Space. So the paperback books that you may create, any instructional DVDs that you might place, which would be considered film, you can use this to promote your existing business. And if you're shipping information products from the Amazon FBA program and you're willing to use the third-party program Zapier, you can collect leads every time you make a sale on Amazon Seller Central or FBA. So in this part of the course, we want to focus on the additional opportunities you're going to have making connections and generating leads with the other part of the Amazon program to your Video Direct content. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.